Hey everybody, what's up? My name is James Sierra with Study Spanish with James Sierra. I'd like to welcome you guys to the Study Spanish with James Sierra crash course. The first day of the course, we're going to be learning about greetings, which are called saludos. I'd like for you guys to pay very close attention to me as I go over the information in this slide. Please follow along. The purpose. This first day course is designed to help educate the learner, the basic of getting started with the beginner Spanish. Learning the greeting, which are called saludos, are important to your communication skills in Spanish. The first slide presentation will help you to know what words that are used in Spanish daily for greeting a person and giving farewells. Use the words and phrases here to assist you to talk. Greetings, saludos. In Spanish, it is customary to greet people, male and female, by giving a kiss on the cheek. It is okay for two women to kiss each other on the cheek, and the same for a man and a woman too. When two men greet, they shake the hand and also can offer a small hug when coming close. Now I'm going to share with you the types of greetings done on a daily basis, questions, and farewells. So the pure basics is to help you to get started. Saludos, greetings. The information in red is in Spanish. The information in black is going to be in English. So you want to pay very close attention to the information to assist you when speaking Spanish. Hola, informal, which means hi. It's for any time of the day. This is the most common greeting in Spanish. Buenos días, good morning. Buenas tardes, good afternoon. Buenas noches, good evening, good night. Que tengas buenos días, informal. Have a good day. Que tenga usted buenos días, which is formal. Usted is basically, you're saying it, which is you, but in a way which is to show respect to a person, whether it's a stranger or it's someone who you're not familiar with. Que gusto de verte, informal. It's nice to see you. Que gusto de verlo, which is formal. I'm glad to see you. Tanto tiempo sin verte, long time without seeing you, or long time no see. Saludos, greetings, questions. ¿Cómo estás tú? Informal. How are you? ¿Cómo está usted? Which is formal. How are you? ¿Qué tal? What's up? ¿Cómo has estado? Se refiere a tu salud o eventos nuevos de tu vida privada. So basically, you use ¿cómo has estado? Meaning how have you been when you're referring to something which is health, meaning salud. Eventos nuevos, new events, or tu vida privada, which is your private life. That's when you'll be referring to cómo has estado or cómo ha estado. ¿Cómo te ha ido? How's everything been going? ¿Cómo te va? Informal. How's it going? ¿Cómo le va? Informal. How are things going for you? ¿Cómo está? ¿Cómo están tus hermanos, tu novia, tu familia, tus padres, etc.? So you'd say, ¿cómo están tus hermanos? Which is plural. ¿Cómo están? ¿Cómo está tu novia? ¿Cómo está tu novio? Your boyfriend or your girlfriend? ¿Cómo está tu familia? How is your family? ¿Cómo está tu papá? ¿Cómo está tu mamá? How's your father? How's your mother? ¿Cómo están tus padres? How are your parents? How is or are your brother's girlfriend, family, and parents? It's a question. Saludos, greetings, question still. ¿Qué has hecho últimamente? What have you been up to lately? Or what have you done lately? ¿Qué hay de nuevo? What's new? ¿Qué me cuentas? What's new? Literally, what can you tell me? Like what's going on or what's up? Saludos, greetings, farewells. Adios, which means goodbye or bye. Nos vemos. See you soon or to each other soon. Saludos a tu mamá, saludos a tu papá, etc. So say hello or say hi to your mom, say hello to your dad, etc. Hasta pronto. See you later or see you soon. Hasta siempre. It's a final goodbye. You most likely not see each other again. Hasta nunca, until never, as in we'll see each other when we see each other again. Sometimes said when angry. Like for instance, if you're into a fight with your girlfriend or a family member, hasta nunca. It's a way of saying never will see each other again when you're saying in an angry mode. Saludos, greetings, farewells. Hasta mañana, until tomorrow. Hasta la otra semana, until next week. Hasta el próximo fin de semana, until next weekend. Te veo luego. I'll see you soon. Ciao. Bye. Cuídate. Take care. Nos estamos viendo. We'll see you around. Que te vaya bien. Good luck. Or I hope everything goes well for you. It's a farewell. Why is this important? This is important because greeting are a great way to initiate a new relationship with someone. You have the ability to create a conversation and to begin the communication process. Greetings allows you to become well acquainted with people and helps build a friendship. Using these greetings and farewells will allow you to increase your Spanish speaking skills and bring stronger knowledge of language grammar traits. These are my sources. And I want to thank you guys for following me very carefully with the first day in the Spanish crash course, which is greetings, saludos. And I know you guys are going to learn a lot more information in the next few days of the crash course. I look forward to continue providing you guys a lot of information on the Spanish language and educating you guys more so you guys can go out and use the Spanish and practice it with native speakers and also with me as well. So if you guys have any questions or concerns, please feel free at any time send me an email or please feel free to reach out to me in the Study Spanish with James Sierra group on Facebook. Until soon, see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.